good morning and happy Tuesday. It's about 9:30 a.m. I spent the morning responding to comments on my newest vlog, which I thank you guys so much for all of your positive support. It really means so much to me. If you are enjoying my channel, please hit that like button, subscribe. It really supports my channel, and it also helps me know that I'm putting out content that you're enjoying watching. So I really appreciate your feedback. So I did that. I responded to some comments. I made myself some breakfast. I did my oil pulling. I had my hot lemon water. So I'm check on check for my healthy habits so far this morning. And now I'm gonna go for a 4-mile run. So I live a mile from the beach, and then I run another mile down A1A, back and back. So it's about 4 miles, and the weather today is so beautiful. It's a little chilly. I'm sorry for the north. We're getting your nice cool weather. It's still very sunny outside, so I'm definitely gonna take advantage of this weather. And also because I really didn't know what to do today at the gym. I worked out legs on Sunday, and then I did arms yesterday, and so now it's kind of one of those days that's a free-for-all, like I could work out whatever I want. So I'm gonna go for a run and then hit a 5:30 yoga class tonight. But I wanna show you my running outfit because I get a lot of questions about where I get my workout clothes from. Old Navy is the sweet spot for good quality clothing that is not only affordable, but really cute as well. So let me show you what I'm wearing. This sports bra is actually from Target, so I lied. This is not Old Navy, but you can get similar sports bras anywhere. These pants are from Old Navy. I love this print for spring and summer. I think it is so cute. My shoes are just Nike tennis shoes, and then this jacket is also from Old Navy. It's just kind of a pullover. So this is what I'm wearing for my run. I did already have oats and coffee this morning as well as my lemon water, but I'm gonna come back and make a post-run or workout smoothie. I have made it, again, a habit to incorporate a scoop of protein every time after I work out. Obviously, I'll eat again probably an hour after the shake, sometimes sooner, just kind of depends on how hungry I am. But I figured I would show you what I have been using for my ingredients. I did switch over to a Vega chocolate protein. I was using vanilla, but I wanted to switch it up, you know? Change is good. Sometimes the way to keep yourself motivated and to stay out of a rut is to incorporate new things, whether it be like today, I'm going to a yoga class. I don't really do that often, but I do know I need to stretch, so I'm now making that a priority to go to a yoga class once a week. I was getting kind of bored with my protein, so I switched to the chocolate flavor. Like, whatever you think is gonna give you a new burst of inspiration, take advantage of that, because healthy living is a lifestyle. It's not a fad. It's not something that's gonna end anytime soon. Like, we are doing this to prolong our health, to live a good life. It's not necessarily about fitting into a skirt for the weekend. It's about ensuring that maybe you can fit in that skirt in 20 years from now when you're still living a long life of prosperity. So I'm gonna put in my headphones, put on some Florida Georgia Line, and take my little butt to the beach. Or big butt, because I actually kind of have a big butt. I'm back from my run, and I just wanted to come on here and kind of mention how before I had gone for my run, I was talking about how if you're in a rut, maybe for your fitness routine or maybe eating healthy or just anything in life, and you need new motivation, that you can just easily incorporate, whether it be a new food item or a new workout routine or a new class to incorporate. There's just so many ways that you can get out of that rut to feel inspired and fresh and motivated again. And I thought it was funny because the route that I usually take to go to the beach, I had completely forgot that the day before my mom told me that bridge is gonna be closed for like a year. So the run that I'm so used to doing, I'm no longer allowed to do because I can't get over the bridge. So I ran all the way down there, got to the bridge, and I was like, oh, what do I do now? And I was like, obviously I could go home, but then that was useless. You know, why did I even go on the run? So instead, I took my old route when I used to live at my old house. I also used to run to the beach, and it was definitely a little bit longer today of a run because of the detour I had to make, but it gave me that fresh scenery and kind of made my run feel new again, like I was running in a different place. So I just thought that was funny. You know, I'm telling you, the universe is always giving you signs. You may not notice them unless you're actually paying attention for them, but that was a sign for me, talking about how to switch up your routine, and now here today I had to go for a new run. Anyways, I wanted to show you my post-workout shake that I'm gonna make. So I just use the Magic Bullet. I fill it a little bit with ice. I am using Almond Breeze Unsweetened Original. I was in a pinch, so I got this. I mean, I don't love Almond Breeze. It has a lot of ingredients that I'm not thrilled about, but it was just something to use in the meantime. I do like to add a lot of spinach. A half a banana, teaspoon of maca powder. Now maca powder is really good for energy, it's good for stimulating your brain, and it's also good for your libido. So if you need some sexuality in your life, maca powder helps with that. The protein I'm using is the Vega chocolate, so I'm gonna put a scoop of that, and then I'm also gonna put a spoonful of peanut butter. I'm working from home today, and one of my tasks that I put was to create a new banner. So that's exactly what I did. I wanna show you, I followed, her name is Little World of Lean. So I followed her tutorial, which I found very helpful, and created this new banner. So please let me know what you think of it. I definitely have the hang of it now. If I want to change it, I can, but I think this is good enough for the time being. I cook a lot of meals, but I also throw together a lot of like salads and bowls. So today's salad, I have some kale in there. There is mushroom, roasted cauliflower, tomato, artichokes, cucumber, onion, and some black beans. And then for the dressing, I used olive oil, balsamic vinaigrette, and some fresh squeezed lemon juice. So I'm gonna enjoy this with some water and kind of relax a little bit before my yoga class. This is your reminder to get some spring cleaning done. So I went through my drawers and my closet, and I'm just basically getting rid of things that, although I say I may wear, I'm never gonna wear. And now I have a nice, organized closet. And I have room to purchase new things if I choose. Successful. We both just got done working out, and this has happened before. We get out of the shower and I'm just planned. No, and I'm just laying on my bed. She comes in and peeks in, and this is what we both look like. I'm wearing the Glam Glow mask. Which one are you doing? Too. The same one? Yeah. Oh, yours just hasn't transformed yet? Yeah, mine's drying. So we're extracting all of our blackheads right now. Gotta go. So if you're wondering what Glam Glow mask I'm talking about, this is the Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Now when you go into Sephora, ask them if they have any like package sales going on, because I purchased this mask along with, it was either 2 or 3 little trial sized masks of Glam Glow, different versions, and it was the same price as the original. So definitely search around, because usually they have like some sort of gift package going on. So that's what I purchased, and I usually leave it on until you can kind of see that's gross. It is extracting all of the gunk, and ignore my nails, those are getting done tomorrow too. It's extracting all of the gunk and oil and dirt out of my skin. So I'll leave it on for as long as I start to see results. I'll gently remove the mask with some warm water, and then of course I will moisturize after. But don't leave this on too long. I found that when I was leaving it on for kind of, you know, like 10 to 12 minutes, it was leaving my face irritated. So now I just leave it on until I think it is done its job, and I'd say the time is now. I am heading to a fitness class. I believe it's called Shred. At 6:30, it's a high intensity interval training class. But again, I wanted to show you my active wear and what outfit I'm wearing for the gym. Old Navy. I'm telling you, my mom is the queen at finding really cute Old Navy workout pieces, so she usually is sweet enough to give me with some when she goes, because I don't have an Old Navy near me. There's kind of a triangle back to it, and I really like the neon print. It's really cute for summer. And then the pants say, rest later. And that is definitely the motto for this evening. I'm gonna go make myself a little pre-workout ice cream, so let me show you what's in that recipe. The finished result. So we just went a little bit darker. We added some low lights, and then I did get about an inch cut off. So I'm actually heading to Starbucks now. I'm gonna do some work on my computer, and then I have work at 7. I am attending a Lupe Fiasco concert. It's him and Travis McCoy, and I'm just gonna kind of assist the guests, kind of be there for the atmosphere, and also kind of arrange their table if they need any drink. I'm just there to be their right-hand girl, so whatever they need, I'm gonna take care of. So I am heading off to work for the night, and I just wanted to check in with you. I also wanna show you what I'm wearing to Starbucks. As always, I'm wearing my hoops. These are from Francesca's. My top is from American Apparel, Throwback Thursday, because that is no longer a real store anymore. This kind of cardigan shawl is from H&M, which I need to cut that tag off, that's bothering me. I have a Gucci belt on, these pants are Boston Proper, and my shoes are Forever 21 Slide. So this is my casual workday outfit, and I will check in with you guys when I'm with my babes at the concert. Good morning, guys. So it is now Sunday morning and I have not had much sleep. I got home, I think at like 2:30. I fell asleep around 3 after taking off my makeup and that whole shebang. God, I wish I could just have someone fully cleanse my face, take off my makeup. Like, that's probably my least favorite thing when it comes to late nights. But I did it. I went to sleep and then my alarm went off. Well, actually my mom came up to my room. I slept at her house last night. Came up to my room at 6:30. Although my alarm was set for 6:45, she came up and was just, you know, making sure I was awake and like maybe breakfast, which was really nice. Stopped at Starbucks, got some fuel. I'm obsessed with Mistos. I just like having the cream steamed on top, but I got coconut milk, but whatever. So gonna be fueled by caffeine today, but I am working for Deliverlean. They deliver very healthy and kind of pre-packaged meals to your house. It's fresh, never frozen. So we're doing a like post-AIDS walk down here in Miami. So I drove down here for this little event. It's a couple hours. And then I'm not really sure what the day is going to take me. It's supposed to rain all day and like has already been raining on and off. So I don't know what we're gonna do. It's my girlfriend Danielle's birthday, so we were maybe gonna go celebrate like down by the beach, have a couple drinks. We might go to brunch, may go to a movie. I have no idea, but I figured I'd check in with you, kind of see where the day takes me. But first off, let's feed the hungry walkers and take it from there.